All right, welcome back, developers and designers. We are going to create our very first folder or our very first HTML website. It's going to be a very, very simple website. All right, so let's get right into it. We are going to be inside of our folder that we called WebDev1, and we are going to hit that plus sign up there. We are going to create a new file, and this file, we want to create an HTML file. I am going to call this hello world. This is a classic program that is done in any programming language. So we are going to create a file. And when we click on this HTML file, it's going to show us a lot of information. And this may look overwhelming, but don't worry, we are going to get to every single thing, what all these mean. But for right now, all I want you to do is actually select all of it. And I am going to cut that. We don't need it right now. We don't need it. We don't. So inside of here, we are going to start typing out our very first program. So in HTML, everything that we want to have displayed on our web page is actually in something that is known as the body. So our body is going to open with the body tag. A tag starts with a side caret or a less than sign. And then we're going to type in body, and then we're going to close our tag just by doing that. And it's automatically going to fill in our body right there. So it creates our beginning and closing tag. Pretty much every tag that we're going to come across has an opening and closing. There are some exceptions, but we'll get into that. So now we want to write a heading 1. So that is called an H1. So we did the same thing where we start with an opening caret and then closing caret. Then we fill that out, and it's going to fill all that stuff in for us. So in this one, I am going to write hello and comma world because it's a direct address, so you need the comma. And then we will put an exclamation point. And unlike other programming languages, you don't need any syntax like a semicolon to close it. We already have that caret / H1 caret. So there we go. Now we are going to drop down our keyboard and we can go over to our browser view. It's kind of hard to see because I've got that cool reflector free trial at the bottom. We'll see if I like this. But at the very bottom, we have got over here, it should say editor, this is browser, and this is console. So let's click on browser. When we do that, it shows what it would look like as a web page. So that's it. It says hello world. So there we go. That's our first program. So in order to turn this in, you are going to take 2 screenshots. One screenshot of the web page, what it would look like, and then another screenshot of your code, how you got it to look like that. So you need 2 screenshots for pretty much every submission. One where I can see your code and the other one where I can see what it looks like on a web page. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.